Well, there are 11,000 children in the foster care system in North Carolina, and each year several hundred age out, meaning that they're sent out into the world on their own.
Yeah, but in this state, those young people have an organization they can count on for guidance, support, and basic life skills, not to mention a family.
In her 22 years, Mary Doms has overcome a lot.
There was times growing up where I didn't have food, or I didn't have power, or I didn't have clothes. I was lucky enough just to get a meal from school.
She was in and out of foster care before being adopted by the Doms family when she was 16. Mary was fortunate, but many of the young people she works with today are not.
And when you're aging out, the world is a lot, and it's hard to live in a world where you don't have all these, simple skills.
In late 2015, the North Carolina General Assembly passed legislation extending foster care benefits and services to young people ages 18 to 21 as long as they're in school or working. According to research by UNC School of Social Work, nearly 500 youth aged out of North Carolina's foster care system this year.
Who's catching them, right? If that crack of just losing their social worker, losing funding, losing anyone that's going to check on them and make sure that they're okay, then at 21 we have a lot of youth that are going to prison, going to jail, becoming homeless, and so that's the goal, is to try and reduce that.
Courtney White is with Say So, which stands for Strong Able Youth Speaking Out. It's a youth-led, youth-run organization under the Children's Home Society of North Carolina that aims to advocate for those in the foster care system, living in group homes or mental health placements.
We have youth that sit on the Department of Health and Human Services design teams with other child welfare professionals, just so that there's a seat at the table for lived experience, where decisions are being made about lived experience, where those decisions are going to impact them. We want to make sure that there's people there that can say, like, hey, this actually doesn't really work for youth in care, or did you guys think about this?
Another big part of Say So is teaching young people in substitute care their rights and basic but essential independent living skills, from doing laundry to opening a bank account. But most importantly, Mary says, it's a family for too many young people who've never had one.
And Say So has always made young people, feel wanted. We have so many youth that come to these events and come every time, because they feel wanted. They feel heard and seen. And
helping to heal, advocate, and lead the way for a better future for young people who deserve just that.
Keep fighting. Keep telling yourself you're going to go somewhere. Keep telling yourself you're going to succeed.
Katie Nordine, Fox 8 News.
And Mary is in school at UNC Charlotte. She's still deciding between getting her MBA or going to law school. Either way, she plans to continue her advocacy work for the foster care system and one day start a family of her own. To learn more about Say So, you can visit their website or find them on social media. We'll put a link with this story on our website, myfox8.com.